Hi, welcome back to the sessions on web designing. So, till last session, we have seen how to create different sections in this, and you just take the other one that is available here, that is hobbies and achievements, as your what you call it, assignments. So, I'll show you how to create a contact page. So for creating your contact section, again you need to create a section, give it a class name. So first let me create a section. I'll give an ID as contact. Close the section. Inside this section I have a div whose class is inner. Inside this inner I have two divs. So here you have two options. If at all you are using a dynamic website, you can have a form in one div and your details in another div. If not, you can show the maps in one div and your details in another div. So let me show you how to import your map. So just go to maps, Google Maps, sorry, and here just select for your location. So click here. Okay, so if at all you wanted, you say this location exactly. So whenever you are in a particular location, if you click on share, you get an option to embed a map. So you need to copy this HTML and then paste it here. So if you see here, you have something width and height. So what I'll do is I'll give height as auto and width as 100%. So when I just refresh this again here, you can see that I have a map. So what I can do is I can give the width as 500, that is it takes 500 pixels, sorry, height as. Okay, so this is how my maps look. So you can give your own location here, and in the next div you can mention your social things like, sorry, mail. So in this mail you can give your mail also. So you can just give any mail, your personal mail or your business mail, anything you can mention here. So at the same time you can also mention your mobile and your location. So when I just refresh this, I'll get this. So what you can do is just go to style.css, before footer, contact, inner div, width 50%, float left. So again you can give a padding to this and you can rearrange your text. So this is a basic example of how you can design your website. The designing, look, feel and everything again depends on you, like what colors you are selecting and everything. So now next what we'll do is we'll just have this header and menu embedded into menu and footer embedded into main.html. Just go to footer.html, copy this, go to main.html, paste it here. Next you have menu.html, copy this, go to main.html, paste it here. So when you just reload, you see you got your menu here, but you don't have any action item. So when I mean like you actions for this. So when I wanted to go to about us from here, if I must be able to click here. So what we will be doing here is you see I need to change the section here. I need to change the properties of a section. So what I'll do here is main. Okay, I just remove this absolute. And I'll say relative. So you'll get here. Okay. So that is how you will change your changes. Whenever you wanted it, you can make the changes. So I'll just remove this main under this section. You can have it even fixed. So if you see here, you have options like you see absolute, fixed, inherit. So when you click on inherit, just see where it is going. Next you have initial, relative, revert, static, sticky, onset. So this is relative. So you have something here called z-index. You can give that also, z-index. So this is how you can add. So when we start working on the menu, so just go here, go to style.css. From footer I'll change this to relative. Then in the main.html. So for this menu, I'll have some links given. This is called anchor link, that is represented with A. So href hashtag about. So why we are mentioning it in this way is, so whenever I'm in this page, when I click on about, you see, I'll go to the about section, because my about starts with ID called about. So this is how exactly everything works. So you can try giving this to the other menu items. So in the next session I'll show you how to create a PSD to HTML, and and we'll also be focusing on JavaScript tasks and elements, everything about JavaScript. Bye.